Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a birthday poster design in Canva. All right, let's begin. First, open Canva and click Create Design. Then choose Custom Size. Set the size to 1000 by 1500 and create a new design. Click on the background, open Colors, and apply a gradient style. Adjust the gradient colors to match your theme. Next, go to Uploads, upload your image, and add it to the canvas. Remove the background, increase the image size, then lower the transparency to 50%. Duplicate the same image, remove the background again, and place it properly for depth. Now go to Elements, select Shapes, and add a square to the center. Increase the stroke weight to 20 and change the stroke color to white. Apply a gradient fill to the shape and adjust the colors. Reduce transparency on selected gradient layers to create a soft effect. Duplicate the image again, place it above, and crop it neatly. Next, add text, change the font to Glossial, adjust the color, and increase letter spacing. Add another text using a brush font, increase the size, and position it well. Finally, download the design as a PNG. So that's basically how you can create a birthday poster design in Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks.